Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make orange chicken with the most flavorful sauce using only 3 ingredients. I tested out a few orange chicken recipes and none of them ever worked out. I've been seeing this 3 ingredient orange chicken sauce recipe for quite a while now and I decided to give it a try. It ended up being so delicious, my family and I were pleased. So let's get started. For the sauce, we're going to be using 3/4 cup of orange marmalade. I like to use the Smucker's brand because it contains orange peel, which is going to give it tons of flavor. Next, add 1/3 cup of barbecue sauce. Today I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce you prefer. I know this is kind of a weird ingredient for orange chicken, but trust me, it's not going to taste like barbecue. Next, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix everything until it's well combined. Next, we're going to season 2 beaten eggs and a 1/2 cup of flour mixed with a 1/2 cup of cornstarch with salt and pepper. Just give them each a stir so that the seasonings are well incorporated. Today I'm going to be using 1 3/4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into small bite-sized pieces, but you could also substitute this for chicken breast. Dip the chicken pieces into the eggs and then dredge into the flour. Heat 1 cup of oil over medium-high heat and fry chicken in 2 batches. Cook until cooked through. This will take about 6 minutes total per batch. I've also seen some people use frozen popcorn chicken or chicken tenders for this recipe. If you like, feel free to do so. I usually like to make mine from scratch. Not that I have anything against frozen chicken tenders. My kids actually eat them all the time. Which is funny because one time I was shopping at Costco and I bumped into my neighbor and I had all this frozen food in my cart and he was like, "Wait a minute, aren't you a chef? Why do you have so much frozen food?" And I was like, yes, I'm a home cook, but not every meal is gourmet. I do cook dinner most days out of the week, but for lunch, sometimes it's frozen pizza and chicken tenders. Bring the sauce to a boil and keep stirring until the chicken is well coated and then remove from heat. This recipe reminds me of Panda Express's orange chicken. The chicken is crispy and the sauce is sweet, savory, and has the right amount of orange flavor. It took me a couple tries to get the measurements right for the sauce, but my husband told me I nailed it. This is definitely a kid-friendly meal. My son was so excited that I was making this. Now the quest for a good orange chicken recipe is over, and I promise it won't taste like barbecue sauce.
Cheers! Yum! Yum!
So good. You guys, don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.